again with another review. Let's go to Outlook. I have already created the one Outlook profile and how we can create the Outlook subfolders in inbox. And as per your requirement, like we have I want to create the one Outlook folders, then you can click on inbox and click on new folder. I want to create one folder like text user one. Okay, so I have created one test user one folder, and like these are the department wise email: test one, test two, test three, and something like that. Okay, so I want to create this one user, your test 3, and this email is test 2, this email to test 1. So as per your requirement you can create multiple folders as per your individual person, and also department wise, like you have a multiple person in your department, then you can create uh, folders and organize your emails. Okay, so I have already created this folder text one. Okay, so I want to move this email to this folder, so I will create the rule. Here we go. Rules, moving from, and select text user one, then click on okay. So these are the already, because these are the emails sending from text one, that's why all emails moving to this one folder. So we can organize these emails as per your individual person, as per your department wise person, and you can create the multiple folders in your Outlook profile. So thank you so much for watching the video. Have a good day.